Welcome to Create Your Own Candy Sushi. I utilize these items that I found at my local dollar store. However, if you would like to make your own Rice Krispie treats, it's very simple. You'll just need a package of marshmallows, 8 cups of Rice Krispies, cereal, and a tablespoon of butter. And then you can make it in a pan and cut up the sizes that you would need for your candy sushi. I went the simple method and just used the items that I could find at the store easily, including this prepackaged Rice Krispie treat. And you can cut it and form it in any shape you need. I did it measuring kind of the fruit roll-up size. You'll see later how this went. I take the measured piece of Rice Krispie treat, and of course, what's sushi without a little fish, right? So I'm gonna add my fish and then roll it on up. As I look at this, I decide, my hands are clean. This doesn't look like sushi. So really, I think what's just as easy is to go back to the drawing board, unwrap my sushi, and now I'm thinking I might like to maybe mush up my Rice Krispie treat a little bit. So maybe roll it more into a ball shape, or even cut it into smaller pieces and actually cut my roll up. So I'm gonna take a second to do that. So as you can see, there really is a lot of flexibility in what you can do to make your sushi. I decided I might use the Swedish fish as measurement, and I used those to cut those down. And then I went ahead and I cut my mini fruit roll-up to adjust for size. There you have it. I also did note how maybe rounding the edges made it look more like sushi. I determined that putting seam side down might be a little bit better in this whole wrapping the sushi. So you roll it over top, and you can adjust the bottom. It looks so pretty. And so there you have it. You can set it up on a pretty tray, and boy, doesn't that look great. Get your chopsticks ready. This could be lots of fun. This can be so much fun. Use your favorite candies, or maybe you went trick-or-treating and you have leftover candies that would make for great candy sushi. There's so much flexibility to this, and if you have food allergies, be sure to check your labeling and use ingredients that will work for your family. Oh, have so much fun with this. This could be a great treat for a party too. And that's a wrap for Create Your Own Candy Sushi.